All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's vocabulary words. So elect, elect, and select, select. So elect, when someone becomes in charge by way of voting. So let's have a look. Vote, for example. Ah, perfect, yes. Voting, yep, there we are. We all vote. We all vote who we want. We all vote who we want to be in charge. So we will elect them. Elect them to be in charge. Yeah. How cool is that? So, we will soon elect a new member. We will elect the latest member of our community. Yeah. How cool is that? They are electing him now. Yeah, the process is happening now. They're electing them now. They are being elected now. But select. Select, to choose by deciding which is best. I have a few books to select from to read next. Which book should I select? Maybe this book or this book. I could read either one. I'll select this one because it's thinner. I will select this book because it's more important. I will select that book because the topic is more interesting. Very good. Can you select a movie for us? Which movie are you going to select? Which movie are you going to select? What did you select? What is this? What did you select? This one is old. Why did you select that one? Why did you select that one? You could have chosen different ones. You could have selected other ones instead. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, elect and select. So, can you use these in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Udemy. YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on YouTube and Udemy. That's it, and Udemy. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.